Hello everyone. So today we are gonna make a high score. So come here, you click the scratch cat, but you can't have a high score. So you go to the variable, you do high score. And then you're gonna click cloud variable. Then what you're gonna do is put a forever loop, then if score is greater than high score, then be careful to only put sit high score go to school. So we can test that. See, free and free. And then when in fact, this high score is 8 and then the score is 0. So you can put the high score for any kind of game you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more. And then later on, I would record platformers and other stuff. So thanks for watching and bye.